One of my clients is having a technical challenge how to record her training material to look very professional while she is in the video. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate for you exactly how to do this using Canva. So let's head over there and I'll show you step by step how to do it. So when you head over to Canva, you will be presented with this window. If you don't see this screen, you just head over to Home and it should give you the templates and then right here, all the different apps they have. And the one that we are searching for is the video app. And if you're not seeing it, you just type in video and it should come up. So when you do that, click on video. And now you have multiple video frames that you can use, like video landscape, mobile video, TikTok video, Instagram story, all of these you can use. So let's just say we wanted to create landscape because this is what my client needs. She wants to share a screen and record herself. So we are going to click on the landscape. And now we are presented with this. Now, the way I like to name my videos. So right in here, you can say test or whatever the name it is that you want to use. And then on the left-hand side, you have all these apps. One of the apps that we need is videos. If you're not seeing it on the left-hand side, just go over to apps right here. And when you click on apps, one of these is going to be video. Just make sure that you are moving that over or just click on it and it should move it over. So let's just go over to videos right here and you see you have a button, record yourself. And when you hit that, something magical is going to happen. I'm going to show up. You see, it starts like wherever your camera is at, it's going to record that. Now, personally, I always like to move this on the right-hand side. Now, if you were recording yourself as a landscape, what I do normally is change the shape to be like this. Okay, and you do that by clicking this button. But I'm going to go with circle because all we need right now is a little circle because my client needs to share a screen when she's doing this. And the way she's going to do that is by clicking on settings. You see right here in the right-hand corner, click on settings. And go over to Camtasia and screen. And I have this presentation open, so I'm going to click on share. So now this presentation is open and it's going to record the whole screen. That's how Canva is done. But what also happens is, so now I'm sharing this screen, but I haven't actually hit record yet. I have to go to a different tab. You see, I have my presentation tab that's being shared right now, and I have the test video. And if I click on the test video, so test video tab, where we're recording this, we click on record, and it's going to take 3 seconds to start recording. So hit record. Now that it's done, what you want to do is go back to your presentation tab. So I'm going back to this and I'm going to go through my presentation, share the content, right? Once you're done, all you have to do is go back to test video where you're recording and click on done. So this is going to be done. So I'm going to click on that right now. And the next thing is going to be save and exit. Now, one thing with Canva is that sometimes positioning is off and for some reason you see my video is in the back. So I need to click on position and I need to bring it forward and it's right here. Second thing, I can move my screen now and play with it a little bit. So it does not show all the things that like my tabs at the bottom if I don't want them to be visible. I can play with this a little bit. So I just navigate to show the element of the screen that I want to share, right? So you play with this a little bit. When you're happy with everything that you have done, click on share and click on download and click on download. And now the file is being downloaded. You can also go through editing the video here. If you had any ums or anything that you did not like about the video, you can edit it here. Normally I use Camtasia or CapCut to do that, but that's a completely different ballgame. So this right here is how to use Canva to record yourself. And like I said, you can do this for many different uh, TikTok videos and, things like that. So this is not the only format you can use. You can use many others as well.